Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn how to calculate the 7-day moving average of sales for the year 2022 using SQL Server Management Studio. This is a very common technique in business analytics to smooth daily fluctuations and reveal trends over time. Let's start with our dataset. The orders table contains the following fields: customer number, unit retail, order date, which is stored as a float in YYMMDD format, shipped quantity. Each row represents a sales record for a particular customer on a specific day. Our goal is to compute the total sales over a rolling 7-day window. The average sales over that same 7-day window, rounded to 2 decimal places. Return the result ordered by date in ascending order. The output should look something like this. Let's see the solution in SQL Server Management Studio. Since the order date is stored as a float in YYMMDD format, the first step is to convert it into a proper date format in the first common table expression CTE1. This ensures our dates are in the format YYYYMMDD, making it easier to perform calculations. Next, we'll calculate the total sales per day by multiplying unit retail price with shipped quantity and grouping by date. Now we have one row per day, showing how much total revenue was generated. Then here comes the key part. We'll use the window function with a rolling 7-day frame. This query calculates the total sales for the past 7 days, including the current day. The average sales by dividing by 7. We add offset 6 rows to skip the first 6 days, since they don't yet have a full 7-day window. When we execute the query, we get 359 rows for the year 2022. That's because the first 6 days don't qualify for a full 7-day window. There's also another way to solve the problem, using a self-join and the datehead function. This approach explicitly joins each day to the 6 days before it, ensuring only full 7-day windows are included. Run the query and it produces the same result. Looking at the results, we can see clear seasonal patterns. For example, noticeable sales increases toward the end of September and October. So to recap, we converted the date format, computed daily totals, applied a 7-day moving window using either a window function or a self-join, analyzed the sales trend for valuable business insights. This rolling average method is a powerful tool for identifying trends and seasonality in your sales data. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.